Martha has ordered a new dress online, but her package is just not arriving. The outdated conveying system in the parcel sorting center is the problem. In the past, retailers ordered less often, but larger quantities. Now, many more smaller packages are shipped individually to the end customer directly. That's why the material handling system has to be updated. Since conventional facilities are not that flexible, this could take a while and result in costly downtime. Now, with the next Intralogistics ICS system, this is as easy as pie. It is the most advanced conveying system of all, the alternative to traditional PLC controls. Self-programming, autonomous, very easy, and quickly installed. With its modular structure and plug-and-play concept, ICS meets the demands of the future. An infinitely expandable system, easily configured and extremely flexible. Innovative control technology with intelligent algorithms as well as visualization via mobile phone, tablet, and notebook. That is the Smart Conveyor. Flex Conveyor, the other version of the ICS system, can be easily rearranged according to the changing requirements in no time at all. That is what modern intralogistics for Industry 4.0 and the Internet of Things looks like. The future of conveying technology, a reality today. With Next Intralogistics. With Next Intralogistics ICS, parcels arrive swiftly at the customer's door. Martha is ecstatic. For more information, visit nextintralogistics.com.